If you're getting into ethical hacking, you've probably heard two names over and over again: GitHub and Kali Linux. Some people think they're competitors, but they're actually very different tools that complement each other. So, which toolkit is better for ethical hackers in 2026? In this video, we'll compare GitHub and Kali Linux across 5 key categories: tool availability, ease of use, updates, customization, and real-world penetration testing. By the end, you'll know when to use each one and how they fit together in a professional cybersecurity workflow. Let's get started. 1. What are they? Let's clear up a common misconception. GitHub is a cloud-based platform for hosting, sharing, and collaborating on source code. It's home to millions of open-source cybersecurity projects, scripts, and automation tools. Kali Linux, on the other hand, is a Linux distribution built specifically for penetration testing, digital forensics, and security assessments. It comes preloaded with hundreds of security tools and is designed to provide a ready-to-use environment for authorized testing. So right away, they're serving different purposes. One is a software repository and collaboration platform, the other is a specialized operating system. 2. Tool availability. When it comes to the number of available tools, GitHub has a clear advantage. Developers around the world publish open-source security projects there every day. Whether you're looking for recon automation, OSINT utilities, web security tools, or defensive security projects, you'll find an enormous variety. Kali Linux, meanwhile, focuses on a curated collection of well-established tools. Instead of including every project, it packages many of the industry's most trusted security utilities into one operating system. Winner: GitHub for variety, Kali Linux for convenience and consistency. 3. Installation and ease of use. Kali Linux shines when you want a ready-made environment. Install Kali, update the packages, and many essential tools are already available. That saves time, especially for beginners. GitHub projects can require extra steps. You may need to install dependencies, compile code, or configure the application before it works. Documentation quality also varies between projects. If you're new to ethical hacking, Kali offers a smoother starting point. As your skills grow, GitHub becomes invaluable for discovering specialized tools and the latest community projects. 4. Updates and community. GitHub moves incredibly fast. New security research, automation scripts, and tool updates often appear there first. It's where many developers collaborate and share improvements with the community. Kali Linux maintains its own repositories and regularly updates the tools it includes after testing them for compatibility and stability. If you want the newest releases, GitHub often gets them first. If you value a stable environment, Kali Linux provides a more curated experience. 5. Which one do professionals use? The answer is simple: both. A typical ethical hacking workflow might look like this. Use Kali Linux as your primary testing environment. Discover new open-source tools and automation scripts on GitHub. Install and test those tools inside Kali. Keep your environment updated while following the documentation provided by the project maintainers. This combination gives you the stability of Kali Linux with the flexibility and innovation of GitHub. Final verdict: so, which toolkit is better? If you want a complete penetration testing operating system, Kali Linux is the clear choice. If you're looking for the latest open-source security tools, scripts, and community-driven innovation, GitHub is unmatched. But the reality is that you don't have to choose one over the other. The most effective ethical hackers use Kali Linux as their workspace and GitHub as their toolbox. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking, bug bounty, and cybersecurity content. Asterisk question of the day. Asterisk asterisk. Do you rely more on asterisk Kali Linux asterisk or asterisk GitHub asterisk in your workflow, and why? Thanks for watching. Stay ethical, keep learning, and stay secure.